Want faster and more stable internet on your Google TV? Using a wired Ethernet connection is the best way to avoid Wi-Fi drops, buffering, and lag while streaming. So, let me show you how you can set this up. First up, we're going to need an Ethernet cable for your wired internet connection, so make sure to get one. After that, we can start by plugging the Ethernet cables, one end to your router's LAN port, the other end will be connected to your TV. Move to the back of your TV and you will find the small Ethernet port. So, plug the other end into the Ethernet port on the back of your TV. Your main work is done. But do make sure that your router is powered on for this to work. Obviously. Anyway, now, turn on your Google TV. Use your remote to navigate to the settings gear icon. Open it. Now go to Network and Internet. You should see Ethernet listed here and connected instead of Wi-Fi. If it's not already active, you can also select it manually. And that's it, your Google TV is now running on a stable wire connection, which means less buffering, smoother playback, and a better streaming experience overall. If you found this tip helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Google TV tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.